So yeah, sorry for inconvenience. It is the continuation of our class, previous class. Okay. Uh, just give me a minute. So here these are the server versions and these are the client versions. Okay. Now server is serves the services to client by using ports and protocols. By using ports and protocols. So what is port? What is port and what is protocol? Protocol is nothing but a set of rules and regulations. Set of rules and regulations. Okay. And what is port? Port is a logical communication channel. Logical communicating channel. Here I am going to write the those two. Port. It's a logical communication channel. It's a logical communication channel. And what is protocol? And give me a simple definitions for easy understanding. Okay, so it is a set of rules and regulations. Set of rules and regulations. Okay, now coming back to our what. So here we are having different kinds of protocols. Okay, we are having different kinds of protocols like that. Just I'm opening here. Uh, so here I'm going to open uh, one application. Flipkart. So here we are having the one protocol name here. So what was that name? HTTPS. HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Here we can observe that here it is mentioned HTTPS, but we have another protocol like HTTPS like that. But it doesn't contain S. So the name will be HTTP only. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It doesn't involve S. So there is a logic and a difference between HTTP and HTTPS. There is a difference between HTTP and HTTPS. HTTP means hypertext transfer protocol, but HTTPS means secure hypertext transfer protocol. So the websites or applications which is having HTTPS, that means that it is having security. Okay, it is having security. Now previously some all of them are using HTTP. So those are having any security, so they may face some security issues also. Okay, now nowadays everyone each and every application is using only HTTPS protocol only because of that security. Okay, now coming back to our question session. Here in this table I am going to specify the protocol names, some of the famous protocol names. First one is HTTP. Yes. Second one, sorry, Second one HTTP. Third one FTP, file transfer protocol. Fourth one DNS, domain name server. We don't need much about this. I mean, for who are going to networking domain, who are going to work as a network administrator or Linux administrator, they want this information in depth. But as of now, for this class, we don't need that much in-depth knowledge on these. For upcoming sessions, if it is required, then we can go briefly. Okay, DNS and DHCP and TFTP, SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. And the one more thing that here we are having 65,535 ports. We are having 65,535 ports. 535. Okay. In this 65,535, um, wait, 1023. Okay, 1023 ports are well-known ports. 10123 ports are well-known ports like HTTP, HTTPS, SSH. SSH means secure shell. Okay, and remaining ports are comes under in registered ports. I will specify here the numbers. 0 to first one, 0 to 1023 are well-known ports or known ports, we can say. Next, 10242 49151 are registered ports. Next, 49152. Remaining what? How many we are having? 65,535, right? 535 are dynamic or private ports. So private ports means some of them are open ports, some of them are closed. Most of them are closed, some of them are open. So open means those open ports means that doesn't have any security. Okay, everyone can interact with them by using their skills, but it is not correct to use in that open ports, because open ports means there may be a chance to hack by the hackers. Okay, there is a chance to hack by the hackers, so always we want to use only closed ports. But for open what is the use of open ports means for interacting with the other ports. Okay, interacting with the other servers or other ports or other systems, we use open ports. But we must take care about using that open ports, because if we are not aware of that open ports, then there is a chance to hack the entire system. Okay, private ports, some of them are in those ports, some of them are using for database purposes. Some of them are used for firewalls. Okay, some of them are used for scanning. Okay, port scanning. Okay, like that we are having different kinds of ports. Okay, And Linux also having one server that is called rel, red hat enterprise linux, red hat enterprise linux. It is a server with the GUI, server with the GUI. Okay, GM is graphical user interface. Okay, uh, that's it for today's session. Before closing our session, let's have an overview of what we have discussed in the last, in this session. Okay, so first I'm opening. Okay. So first we have discussed about difference between the Windows and the Linux operating system. What are the differences? Difference are here I had mentioned. So MS Pin, it is an GUI graphical user interface, but Linux CUI and GLI both have, it is having both. And later it has released one more version, one more server, like with 30% of a GUI. And Linux has also introduced one server like TUI, that is text user interface. And the extension of Windows applications are .exe. Exe means executable files. And in Linux we are having RPM. RPM means Red Hat Package Management. And it wants antivirus, and the antivirus may be costly. But in Linux we don't need any antivirus, but if you want to use you can use, but and they charges very very less. Okay, it is also gives support, but for supporting it will charge. So it is a free source. I mean, all of the Linux files are not free, but some of them are free, some of them are license oriented. And it is a closed source, it is an open source. And it occupies more RAM to install, it occupies less RAM. Okay, and later we have discussed about types of OS. So types of OS means single user, single tasking. Examples of this is MS DOS. And single user multitasking means uh, one user with so multiple operations. Examples of this multi single user multitasking is MS Pin. And the second one is multi user multitasking means your examples of these are Unix and Linux. We can multiple users we are having, and we can do multiple operations in Unix or Linux operating systems on Mac also. And what is port and protocol? Port is an logical communication channel. It is used to interact with the other ports and channels. Okay. And protocol is to set up rules and regulations. So before connecting with the connecting with the other servers or other ports, it will specify some rules and regulations. Okay. So these are the some of the servers by the Windows operating system. And the clients of that Windows operating systems are these, and these are the protocols. Okay, uh, we are having 65,535 protocols ports. Okay, in that up to 1023 called as non ports, and remaining from 1024 to 49151 called as a registered ports, and 4912 to 49152 to 65,535 called as a private port. Okay, if you have any doubts regarding this class or any previous class, then please comment below. I will try to sort it out. Okay, and I hope this video is helpful for you. If you feel this is helpful for you, then if you want to remember our classes, what we have discussed in the our daily classes, then we can share with the your friends also. If you discuss with your friends, then it is easy, better way to understand, and better way to remembering. Okay, and if you want more updates from our channel, and if you want any latest updates regarding our upcoming classes, then subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon if you like this classes. Okay, thanks for watching.